Okay, so we've got this device, some sort of battery controller. I can't remember exactly what it's for. We needed two buttons we couldn't find. We tried everywhere. Now finally got them. So we need to replace. Simply put two new buttons. One, two. These are 6.5 mil in height. We got a whole bunch of them. This is finally the compatible one. Not fun to deal with. Okay. So before we do it, let me double check how this guy will go. So we got continuity. Let me check these guys. So when you press the button, they make it beep this way. Okay. Same as this, right? Yep. There we go. Exactly. Let's quickly remove. Okay, microscope. Of course, why will it work? As usual, it has to give us a hard time. Okay. User can F off into the ether. Okay. Maybe a little bit more to the left. Okay. And the next one. Okay. Hmm. Okay, how easy was that? Took forever to get the parts. Okay. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.